YouTube. So in this video, I will be going over the wiring in this car because this car is a wiring nightmare. Like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road. I'm on the road to 3,000. Yeah, I'm on the road to 3,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna go through this car, completely through this car, because this car is a wiring nightmare. So y'all gonna watch me do it. Let's go ahead and get into it, bro. All right, man, so y'all can see we're taking the battery loose. I hate that the Caprice has got the side terminals, dude. That's a big thing I really hate about the Caprice, man. They got the side terminals, man. Aggravating, but it is what it is, bro. All right, y'all, so I took that loose. Y'all can see, got it hanging on the side over there, just chilling. Show y'all what's in my trunk. Full mess. A full mess back here, bro. What we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and go through that again. I got wires that's hanging, bro. That's not a clean setup, especially for this car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take all that out, bro. I don't even know if I'm gonna need all that. Yeah, the interior. We got all this hanging. I wanna tack that up a little bit more. I'm not hooked up to nothing, so I just wanna cut it shorter because I don't like how it's hanging. But I don't wanna keep talking because I'm wasting a lot of time. But I'm telling y'all what's going on, so I mean, yeah. Let's go ahead and get into it. As y'all can see, issue right here. This wire right here. I don't know what that goes to, but guess what? We're finna get rid of it. That, oh, my knee, man, my knee was in the way the whole time. God damn. Second issue, this right here. We're finna replace that. See, that's too much wire showing. So I'm gonna cut that. All right, y'all, so y'all can see we got some more wiring at the back. Let's go ahead and pull this out, see what this go to. Man. Oh man. Okay. I think this goes to some tweeters he had hooked up. He had some tweeters hooked up back here. So I think that's why this is all like that. Only thing I can think of. I got the speaker out. I accidentally hit the top of that metal part right there, man. I don't know how I just did that. Anyways, y'all can see we got the wiring nightmare back here. So that doesn't go to nothing. So this can just be taken on out. Let me go ahead and untangle this. Untangle all that. I want to go ahead and take that out. My bad, y'all, forgot to turn the camera back on, but I just pulled all this out from back up in there behind this seat. And this right here is wired along back there somewhere. Need to go through that too. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. I'm doing a lot for this car right now. I can't even drive the car. The brakes locked up. Well, the caliper is sticking, so gotta wait for my brake calipers to come. So till then, just work on the car. Get it right. Oh, I forgot about this in the front. That's not good. You don't want no wires hanging out like that. Taking all this out. He was running tweeters back in here. He was running tweeters in here back in the day. Running tweeters in the back, running tweeters on the side. I can see the residue right there. So that's why that wiring is like that. Y'all probably gonna be like, "Hey, Chris, you might as well run some tweeters in." I'm thinking about putting tweeters right there. I'll think about it. But for right now, we're gonna take all this old wiring out because this stuff is old and frail, bro. You see that? Them wires not supposed to look like that. Plus, I want to do it my way. I'm gonna leave the color how he had it, but some other stuff I want to do my way. So bear with me. When I tell y'all this car is a wiring nightmare, bro. All right, so I pulled all the carpet out, and y'all can see we had a little rusting going on back here. So as y'all can see, that's a little spot right there. So yeah, I pulled all that out. It looks kind of nasty on it. It looked pretty nasty up in the day, I ain't gonna lie. I'm vacuum the trash up. Try my best to work on that. All right, y'all, let's see if we can lift this box up, man, because I'm finna go ahead and take the speaker box out and clean the back of this trunk out. So let's see what I can do, bro. YouTube, I'm back with another video, man. So right now, what I'm doing, y'all can see I cleaned the trunk out, man. It ain't the best, but it looks way better than how I did before. Some of the paint came up out the trunk, which is kind of a bummer, but it is all right. What I have here is fabric, new fabric, because I took the old one out. That was kind of nasty. Well, not even kind of, that was really nasty. But what I have here is new fabric. I ordered it off Amazon. We're gonna see how it holds up. I got some 3M. This stuff is good. It's starting to warm up outside, so yeah. I used it on my center console in there. Y'all can see. Man, if I open it up for y'all. That's how I wrap my center console up in here. Ain't gonna lie, it's hot out here, man. I ain't got no AC in this car. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a whole lot of unnecessary wiring. So let me explain to y'all. That went to tweeters that was hooked up in here. What Pops had back in the day. He had tweeters in the front. So he wired them up in the back. Spliced them into the wiring for the rear deck speakers. So yeah, that's how he did that. I can see that right now. Y'all wonder, why you got door panel off? The radio kept saying amp error to prevent anything else from messing up. Going through the car. And I'm thinking it's something back here, because I remember they didn't do that till I tampered with something in the back. I disconnected the wires from up here. I found out that's what it is. All that unnecessary wiring and stuff. So I'm taking all that stuff out. I'm not trying to have too much wiring. Don't get me wrong, I'm going to have some wiring going through this car, but I'm not trying to have too much going on in this car. You know, just a simple wiring setup. But the center console gonna have, you know, it's gonna have some LED lights and some LED wires going through the back. I don't want too much, but you know, something safe and simple. Always gotta be safe when you wiring, when you're doing wiring and stuff in your car, bro. Cause that stuff starts shorting out, you in some trouble. And I ain't lying, man. Y'all need to get your stuff right, including me. I'm talking about myself too. Ladies and gentlemen, the wiring nightmare is finally over with, bro. And it's hot out here. We'll leave it like that. So I would just let y'all know how the speaker sound. And bro, the first clip of me popping that hood, I did that video in like March. It was like March when I did that. It's July right now. I ain't tomorrow just get old blue back, man. I had a bad brake issue that took me forever to get fixed. I had to take it to the shop, do all this and the other with it, but it's back. And with the help of my pops and his homeboy Art, got this in here, this wood. I bought some wood from Lowe's, got that popped in here. Fixed all the wiring nightmare. You see, it's not really no wiring. Really ain't no wiring in the back. So that's how that look. Let me know how y'all think I did on this, man, because I think this is a pretty nice setup, if you ask me. What I plan to do in the future, I plan to get all this, some wood and all that. Go ahead and block all that off. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure y'all getting a good idea of what I'm saying. We get some wood. Probably start from right here, go all the way right here, make it line up right there, and boom. Yeah, it'd be good, man. That's what I'm gonna end up doing. The next video, we're gonna tackle this. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull that out and make that from scratch again. We're gonna make that out of wood, man. So yeah, dirty in here, I know it is. I'm getting floor mats very soon. And yeah, we got all the wiring from in here straightened out. See, that's wiring going to this right here. Well, that wiring, y'all don't need to worry about that, because that's always been in here. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, man. I went through a lot with this car. The brackets that's holding it, I got them from Lowe's. This really didn't cost me nothing, to be honest with you. It didn't cost nothing to make that setup. Put an amp on it, and shoot, it's good. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. We on the road to 4,000 subscribers. I said in the beginning we was going on 3,000, but we're going to 4,000 now. I'll let y'all know, man. Oh yeah, y'all want to know a little update on the car. You know, I got my that'll be either. All right, let me stop lying to y'all. I do a lot of lying to y'all, but I need to stop. Either on the next video will be me replacing the rear deck, or the next video might be showing y'all how I painted my frame, because y'all can see. Ooh, what? Yo, ain't no dusty frame around here, my boy. I'm gonna let you know. I'll let you see right now, man. Oh, this frame, well, this frame done professionally by me. Get up under that thing, y'all see that? Back all up under there. It's just, I need to finish this part in the back. I never got a chance to finish this part right here in the back. Y'all can see that's where it stopped at. So I need to take this wheel off. I got a wire brush, all that stuff. If you're gonna do this, if you're gonna get your frame restored, you're gonna do it yourself. You really need to get up on that frame because this frame had a lot of surface rust on it. So got all that squared away. You see? Get up under here. Black. Yeah. Tell me. My frame good. I got a pretty good frame on this car. Look in the bottom of it, yup. For the people that wanna pick on stuff, they wanna pick on little small stuff. Shoot, look at what you wanna look at. This frame good, man. I need to get a dash cover for this car, cause that's very important. I'm gonna go gray, cause my door panels, I got Impala SS door panels on here. I'm gonna go gray. I've been saying that for the longest, bro. I've been saying I'm gonna get a center cap for the longest. I keep forgetting about it. I really need to get that because that's just throwing the look of the car off. I might just end up peeling all that off and getting more of these weather strip things. I think that stop the water from coming in, whatever that does. I'm not 100% sure. But it's been like this for a little while now. So yeah, I don't want my car to be because like you really know what these cars are worth. I don't need to be running around with a car like this is techy. For a Caprice, this car is not an Impala. I know it's not I know y'all finna be in the comments. You got SS on the side. It's not an Impala. It's a Caprice. I do not care. I do not care. But hey, I'm gonna let you know. You can't sit here and say this car is not clean to be a Caprice. A lot of Caprices is not this clean. I'm gonna let you know. A lot of Caprices is not this clean. And the sad truth about it, our Caprice is a little cleaner than some of y'all Impalas. I'm not, this is for the people that got something to say about it. That, they got these cars. My car, shoot, from the frame on up. Yeah, car is clean for Caprice, Interceptor, 9C1. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Y'all take it easy. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do, because anything is possible. Y'all see I got this car. I'm 19 now, but I got this car when I was 17. So, yeah. Yeah, I got some new cars. Well, I got a new car, a Honda Prelude, but we're gonna wait to fix that. Duke over there? What the world Duke doing? Yo! Yo! Hey, man. That's the homie over there. Y'all follow the man on Instagram. I'll see y'all in the next one.